Good morning, ma. Good afternoon. Depends on where you are listening to me or view me at this hour. I'm the founder of FIDO Foundation. In FIDO Foundation, we depends naturally on how to take care of children. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma. FIDO Foundation, actually, I'm the FIDO Foundation. In this foundation, we talk mostly on healthy food for healthy living. We create an awareness for healthy food living because we discover that people are not eating healthy, and as a result of that it leads to so many things, so many diseases, both chronic and minor one. So that this morning I want to talk about inflammation. Inflammation is part of the things, most of the things, or the basic thing that cause all illness in the body. What is this inflammation? Inflammation is the type of inflammation. We have type of inflammation, we have causes of inflammation, we have symptoms of inflammation, and we have treatments for inflammation. Protective response by the immune system. So harmful stimuli such as injury, infection, or damaged cells when the body immune system is no more response to treatment. The immune system we are talking about is the organ in the body that protects us against diseases and infection. But when the body itself is no more response to this treatment, and I want to explain further what is immune. Immune system is the organism in the body that protects the body against diseases and infection. So when this immune system is no more responding the way it's supposed to respond, then we say there is inflammation. And what are the characteristics of this inflammation? It comes in form of injury, it comes in form of infection, it comes in form of irritation when somebody is annoyed or angry about particular things. I would say this irritation is attached to emotion. When somebody is not happy about particular situation, then we can say somebody is irritated. Then we say inflammation also take place. And all this can damage the body cells. And for us to get out of this inflammation, we need to know what are the causes first. What causes inflammation? One, bacteria, viruses, fungi, all these are pathogens. Generally, when you have virus infection, bacterial infection, parasite infection, we say all these are pathogens and they are caused by inflammation. This trigger inflammation when there are viruses, bacterial infection. Another thing that can also cause inflammation is when something is affecting you emotionally, you don't like what you are passing through, or you have sprains, physical damage, they are all under injury. Then irritants or toxin, when you get a chemical substance pollutant, when you breathe in air that are polluted, all these are also they can also damage the cell, and all this we also call inflammation. And all this inflammation, if care is not taken, it can lead to high blood pressure, it can lead to sugar problem, diabetes. It can also lead to fatty acid, obese in the body, stress. All this, when you have so much stress in your body, boredom, fatigue, they are all stress, and all these are inflammation. It can cause a lot of damage in the system. Then the lifestyle you also live, the lifestyle you live also cause inflammation. Maybe you are the type you don't eat balanced diet, you are the type, it's not about money, you may have the money, you may not know how to eat balanced diet. That is to eat all the adequate nutrients in the right proportion. Maybe you are the type that smokes a lot, you are the type that drinks a lot, you are the type that don't eat well, you are the type that don't even sleep at all or don't even sleep very well, or you are the type that always have, we are always prone to infection. Maybe your toilet is dirty, your environment is dirty, you are drinking dirty water, you are breathing in polluted air. All this lifestyle can cause inflammation. And we have acute inflammation What are these acute inflammation? Acute inflammation may not be very clear. It may trigger a lot. Chronic inflammation often arises acute response, repeated level inflammation system, this chronic infection in the body, chronic injury, maybe as a result of accident which is fatal, you can have chronic injury, and this one is called acute inflammation. And we also have another inflammation which is not very acute but chronic. We have short term or long term. The short term is when you have a stench from insects, maybe mosquito bite, insect bite. We call this one short term inflammation. Then the other one, long term inflammation, can occur for maybe a week, a month, or even a year, or even more than that. And if care is not taken, this can also kill. This inflammation can result into heart diseases or even diabetes, can lead to arthritis, can also lead to cancer. So in a nutshell, all these diseases we pass through is as a result of inflation. When the body system can no longer allow the immune system to function very well, then we have inflammation. So what are the symptoms of this inflammation? When you have symptom of inflammation, you will see redness of the body. One part of the body will be red, and when part of the body is red, which means the blood is flowing too much, it's as a result of increase in blood flow. Maybe somebody just hit head on the wall, boom, immediately you will see a swelling, and that part will be very very red. That shows inflammation take place. As a result of that, one need to get a remedy or treatment immediately. Another one is heat from diet. When the blood vessel is no more function very well, then you have inflammation. Then you have what we call diluted blood vessel. Then another symptom is swelling. The place can be swollen. It can be on the leg, it can be on the head, it can be on the arm. When you have strange swelling in any part of your body, it's as a result of inflammation. Then pain, chronic pain. You'll be having chronic pain around your body system, maybe on the nerves, maybe on the back, maybe on the neck, maybe on the stomach. You just be wondering what is causing this pain, unless unusual pain in the body. It is inflammation. Another symptom of inflammation is loss of function. Part of the body may not function well again. Difficulty moving, inflamed joint, breathing may be difficult, respiratory tissue, and so on. And that's why they will say, this person, maybe the person has a stroke, God forbid bad thing. When the parts of the body is no longer functioning, it is as a result of inflammation. And this inflammation, we have said the causes earlier on, may be chronic, it may be minor. It's as a result of maybe pain, maybe as a result of so many things. So we pray that we will not experience inflammation. It's only we can just manage it. And the only way we can manage it is to make sure that check your body regularly, study your body. If your system is not giving you the normal flow, maybe you are the type you don't get tired easily, and you just see yourself getting tired easily, you know that inflammation has occurred. You get fatigue, chronic tiredness, sudden fever, general malaria. You treat malaria, is not going. Then all this is as a result of inflammation. Then fatigue, insomnia, low grade fever, even high grade fever, they are all result of inflammation. So it may contribute silently to condition like cardiovascular disease or pneumonia, diarrhea, without obvious local sign. That's why inflammation is chronic in the body. You see that there will be a lot of disorderliness in the system, and this disorder can lead to maybe chronic stooling, abnormal stooling, and body pain, stomach pain, a lot of pain in the body. That is the causes of these symptoms of inflammation. So for us to avoid inflammation, we need to build our body immune system very well. I told you, immune body system is complex network of body cell, the organ in the body that protect the body, that prevent the body against diseases. You need to build it. And how do we build it? Build this immune system very well so that there will be no inflammation in the body. How the immune system work? It has two major branches that often collaborate: the innate one and the adaptive one. The innate one, first line of defense, that is in the hour of the body. The general one, that is the physical body. The physical body, the mucus, the chemical barrier, the acid, the enzyme, those are the innate or non-specific immunity. Then the adaptive immunity is the slower days but high touch and as memory. All these one, the two work together. So the system also include passive immunity, antibodies from mother to baby, antibody maintains from father to child. uh, but the built immunity itself is that we should eat healthy. When we say eating healthy, we should avoid chemical food in what we eat. Any food we eat, let it be natural food. Eat natural food. This natural food promotes good immunity in the body. For us to be able to prevent this, eat a lot of vegetable. We have carrot, we have plum. You can take protein. The least protein you can take is egg. Fried egg, punch egg, boiled egg, you can take it. The other one, you can take cucumber. You can take it to eat it like that. You can blend it and drink it. All this promote immunity in the system. So when immunity is promoted in the system, then you work hand in hand with prevention of inflammation in the body. So the study of the immune inflammation. Inflammation is a fundamentally a part of the immune purpose response. The immune system detects threats and well, we are talking of and you can treat it. The only way we can prevent it is to have adequate rest, And the treatment when it occur, you give this treatment which we call rice treatment. And the rice treatment, mild inflammation and acute inflammation. If it is mild, just have your total sleep very well and rest very well. But the acute inflammation, when we talk of acute inflammation, like when you have acute inflammation like sprain, deep cut, short-term infection, often result into maybe 1 day, 2 days, or 1 week. All this you can give this treatment to it, which we call RICE method. R for rest, I for eyes, E for elevation. So all this is important treatment you can give between 15 to 20 minutes. Give it for the person. Then elevation. If it is on the leg, make sure you raise the leg up. If it's all over the body, make sure you ask the person to take bath with ice block water to give deep rest, to compress the body so that the body will not suffer chronic pain. Then over the counter, you can give body pain that's approved by the NAFDAC, like the ibuprofen, if the person is not addicted to it. If the person is not reacting to it rather. You can give pain relief, calcium, magnesium to be able to suppress this pain. So this pain relief can be short term and can be long time. But the treatment usually should not be more than 10 days. If it is more than 10 days, then you need to see the medical personnel. So other measure that we can give to this inflammation is cold or warm compressor. You can dip clean towel in water and massage the body with cold water or warm water. Gently movement from the shoulder down to the toes, and give a lot of water to the person so that the person will not be hydrated. Let the person drink water, much water. If drinking water is difficult, you can add vegetable to the water, like maybe blend cucumber in the water, or even carrot. You can make carrot drink, you can make cucumber drink. Also can take plum. This plum is very very good. If you eat it directly, immediately it gives you release of pain. Pain may be heart diseases, maybe diabetes, it may be arthritis. No matter what type of pain, this plum, it is natural, and God bless this fruit. It's very very good. So but if your lifestyle is the one that is giving you inflammation, and the only thing you can do is to take it easy, take a lot of vegetable, make sure you take your favorite food and sleep very well. The natural oil you need to take is olive oil. Don't go for all this vegetable oil that has no need. Take whole grain like corn. Take fatty fish. Take fatty fish. There's this particular food that is also oily and fatty. It's very good. Pear. You can take pear. Ripe. Avoid taking much oil so that fat will not saturate the liver. Because if fat saturate the liver, it will affect the liver, and this will end up having this hepatitis A, hepatitis B. Hepatitis B. To avoid this, don't take too much fat. Reduce fat and reduce carbohydrate food. Reduce meat, red meat in particular, reduce it. Then pattern like Mediterranean diet, or diet that is strong. Make sure you reduce and do regular activities, regular exercise. Involve in exercise. Exercise does not mean you go to Olympic field to run. Even right in your room, you can do push up, you can stretch your hand, twist your neck. All these are exercise. You can even jump up, jump. You can run on the spot. Run on the spot. You are doing exercise. As you are doing all this, you are shedding off fat on your body. You are not accumulating weight, because when weight is too much, it can lead to this inflammation. So let's manage our weight, manage your body, make sure you lose weight. Don't gain weight all the time. If you discover that you are gaining more weight, shed it away by do vigorous exercise, reduce fatty food, reduce oily food, and take a lot of vegetable, a lot of drink from natural drink. Avoid this botanic drink, all this sugar chemical drink, avoid them totally. By so doing, you'll be able to sleep well, and you'll be able to uh, reduce all chronic diseases in your body. So when you do that, you can see that you'll be healthy. And when you are healthy, you can supplement your diet with omega H3, or you take fish. Let fish be more in your diet than taking meat. Take more of fish that is rich in omega H3. Take zinc, food rich in zinc, like beans, soya beans, take food like that. All this help to supplement your food. And this prescription is based on severity, cause, and location. We can believe that inflammation can be managed, can be avoided, and we can get rid of it. So the best way is to manage it. Manage it by taking healthy food. Take healthy drink, take healthy food. Avoid oily food,